Welcome. Today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode on Oppo Reno. So starting off, you can pull down the notification bar like so, and do it once more to extend the list here. And you have power saving, so you can either tap on it to activate it and hold it to go into the settings where you have a couple other options. And I believe by default the smart power saver is already enabled. You can also see power usage of what app uses how much power on your device. And you can also enable here the super power efficiency. So once you do that, you get a little message what it does right here. Basically restricts some backup and auto sync functions, vibrate on touch, the brightness of the device. So yeah, so that's one. And if you want to disable it, you can just tap on it like so, and it will go back to previous settings. So that is basically how you enable the power saving mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.